everyone, good morning or good afternoon wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rizal. Today is a very special day because we are going to be staying at the ultra luxury hotel here at Desaru Coast. It is going to be at the One and Only Desaru Coast. So I'm really looking forward and very excited. I'm waiting for my pickup right now. My bags are ready. I took my one and only bag from Le Saint Germain, just for some inspiration. And then my suitcase is ready. We are going to be staying at the Villa 1. It's composed of 4 bedrooms and many other rooms, which I'm going to show you later. If you want to see ultra luxury, you have to stay with me and watch throughout. But before that, make sure that you subscribe on my channel and hit that notification bell so you know whenever I post new videos, alright? So let's go! I'm so excited! Thank you. Welcome to One and Only Desaru Coast. Actually over here, and this is Dusky Monkey, alright? The main pool. And this is Ambara. This is the main dining. This lychee. I think it's lychee. Now we are checking in. Going to enter the living room. It's much cooler here. Ooh. Basically, this villa is composed of 4 rooms, and we are a total of 4 families staying. So I'm looking forward. And then this pool, I'll show you this pool. Is a private pool for Villa 1. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that? Now, what is this room here? Oh, this is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. I can see the bed inside. Just look at that amazing view. Second floor. Now at Villa 1, master bedroom is downstairs and 3 rooms upstairs. We are staying here on the first floor, and I'll show you quick. We have fruits. We This is, I think, Indonesian dessert. We have complimentary water. We have a fan. What is this? Planet Kindness. Our bed. Dream. It's the softest bed. So serenity and dream. You've got his and hers. Okay, bath towels. And over here we have a pouch. His and hers pouch. Show you quick. Now everything is here. Nail file, sanitary bag, shower cap. Makeup remover. Lip balm. Designed for One&Only Desaru Coast. Shaving cream. Nail file. It's closed. You have to open it to see what's inside. That's good. So you're sure that nobody has tried to open it. Then that's it. A razor. This is really nice, pure leather. It's really cute. Wow. The room smells so good, and this is because of this abhauna. I've also seen it in, if I'm not mistaken, in Atlantis. They have the same. Atlantis or One&Only in Dubai. So here, makeup remover. A nice mirror over here. And this is, I think, exactly the same as the other one. Not mistaken. Looks about the same. And soap, which I've already used. Body lotion. For laundry, you can throw all your laundry over here. You can hang your clothes over there. Plenty of storage. Here, there is more storage over here. You can see they have a nice bag. Look at that. From what at the bottom, you see for shoe polishing. Alright, you can hang your clothes over there. Then on this cabinet, you see a robe, bathrobe. I'll show you. Love your towel. Oops. And it's very thick and soft. Okay, so his and hers. And then One&Only robe. I think if you want to go for spa tomorrow, I'll wear them with me. If I want to go for massage tomorrow, I have a massage schedule. And then you've got the soft slippers and the flip-flops for the beach. Okay, I'm not sure if you've seen this bath bomb. I think I'm gonna use that later. Don't smell anything yet. Okay, shower is here. Normal shower. Very minimalistic. And then if you want to sit when you take a shower, you can sit. And just the opposite side is the toilet. The same thing. Alright, I think I've shown you everything. They also have weight scale. If you want to check your weight, if you've eaten so much, you know, from this luxury place. Ooh, they have noodles, is it? Instant noodles, organic, vegetarian, curry soup. Wow. Eco-friendly. Noodles here, nuts and chips, cups. This is what they have also in the car, but it was so nice I couldn't touch it. Some alcohol, ice bucket, mixer, chopsticks, tea. My favorite is Minibar menu. Minibar. For those who are coffee drinkers, especially espresso, they have an espresso available here. And this one is sugar. My tea over there. My teacup, which there's more over here. Here we have a patio here. How do we go outside? Yeah. Wow. Look at that. We have a sitting area here. See? You can sit here if you want to relax, have coffee or tea, or if you're a smoker, you can probably smoke over here. Alright? It's huge. Look at that. And you have a bed here. You can relax over here. I think everyone is down by the pool swimming already. I have to think if I will go to the pool. That's gonna be 1 hour, maybe 45 minutes, and then I'll get ready for my manicure. It's not just a simple manicure, basically. It's I think it's the best one. I have to find out more about it. I've heard that from the ladies that had experience already before, that is the best manicure they've ever had. So I'm looking forward to this one. They said that their nails, I purposely didn't do anything about my nails because I knew that they're gonna do my nails. But this is how my nails look like at the moment. So you see that? It's horrible, okay? It's horrible. I don't want to show you. I usually cut my nails short, but I didn't do anything because I want to see how they're gonna do it. All right, back inside. Much cooler here. So I realized that there's no iron and ironing board in the room, and I asked the question, and they said you can give it to me and I'll do the ironing for you. In my head, I thought that they will deliver the ironing board and the iron so I can do the ironing, but I was wondering, why is this thing hanging by the door? And then I realized, looking at this one, it means do not disturb. So you can actually hang it by the door like this. That means do not disturb this room right now. And this thing is actually called hornbill. Apparently you can still see some of them here in Desaru, the hornbill. And then this one, so nice.